Scrappy Peeps, Suzanna here to share with you my June 2018, the Scraproom kits. So I get 2 kits sent to me, the Flavors of the Month kits and the embellishment kit, and then I pay for the pattern paper kit, which goes with the Flavors of the Month kit, and then the double shot kit. So with the Flavors of the Month kit, you are going to get 4 different collections. And then with the embellishment kit and the pattern paper kit, you get 4 additional matching elements to go with those particular kits. So we are going to start off with the Flavors of the Month kits. And this month, for the month of June, you are going to get the Simple Stories Travel Notes collection, the Pink Paislee Confetti Wishes collection, the Fancy Pants Poolside collection, and the Bella Boulevard Dad Style collection. And then you will get embellishments, 3 pattern papers, and cardstock to go with each of those collections. And I will show you each of those collections and what's going to come in that kit. So for Dad Style, you will get 2 pieces of the craft paper, these 3 pattern papers, you have the clocks, and then on the back side is this lovely yellow. Your second piece has all of these great words called Storyteller, and on the back side of that are some really awesome stripes. And the third piece is the borders, which is always fun to be able to have a great variety of things. And then on the back side of that is these really cool polka dots. And so you can see how well they all coordinate together. I would use that maybe with that. So you could do some great things with those. And then the embellishments that go with that, you have some great craft tags. So these are just the embellishments that come with my particular kit. They're going to vary from kit to kit. So I have 2 larger tags, a smaller tag. I have 2 clocks and or a stopwatch that go great with this pattern paper here, and I could see maybe popping one of those off of there would be great. Same thing, you could pop, actually this one goes with this, so you could pop that off of there, and that would be really cool in a time-based layout. And then you have a pair of shoes. That's what I loved most about this collection. I actually guest designed for Bella Boulevard and used all of these papers, so you could check for that video. I can link you to it as well to see what I did with that already. And then you have this really cool little tag, and again, this is just my particular set of embellishments that come with this kit. And what I love about this is that you get to try things, and if you like it, you can buy more. TikTok, and then some enamel dots. So all of that is from my Bella Boulevard Dad Style kit from the Flavors of the Month June kit. So that is Dad Style. I'll set that aside, and next up is, actually I think I'm going to show you the, I'm going to do this all by collection. So with these things, okay, if you get the embellishment kit, you will get, there we go, the full Bella Boulevard sticker sheet. And actually that is not true, I believe. Well, you get the sticker sheet that goes with it. It is the full Bella Boulevard sticker sheet. And so I love getting the embellishment kit. If you don't subscribe to the kits, I highly suggest adding the embellishment kit because it just gives you a lot more variety to the embellishments. And then the pattern papers that go, this is again an add-on, not necessary, but I love those shoes and the pie charts from the Hustle and Bustle. On the back of the shoes is that really cool geometric gray. And then Hustle and Heart is the pie charts, and the back of that is a really nice solid brown. So that is the full collection. Were you to get the pattern paper add-on, the kit, and the embellishment. So that I will stick aside, and then we're going to go to Fancy Pants, and this is the Poolside collection. This is the flavor of the month of June. This is the second collection that I'm showing you, and you get 2 pieces of white cardstock, the 3 pattern papers, and then these are the embellishments. So the pattern papers are these boys and girls in the pool stuck in their floats, and a really cool sort of red and pink stripe called Cool in the Pool. Then you get Marco Polo, and I really love those fishies. Those of you who know me know I have swimmers, so this is going to be a well-used collection. And then you have these suns, and on the back side of that is the water. So I am going to have a tough time figuring out how I'm going to make all of those really cool patterns work. Oh, those fishies. And then these are the embellishments that go with that. And in my embellishment pack, you are going to see 2 doilies. And let's put the doilies against this. You can see those better. And then I have a floaty, another floaty, a splash, and a party. So that'll be fun with all of the pool parties that we tend to go to. And then hiding also in here is some gems, and those are silver gems there. That'll be fun, little splashes in the water. I can see those coming up out of there. So that is the flavor of the month, Poolside by Fancy Pants. And were you to get the embellishment kit, you will get the chipboard, or half of the chipboards. So there's that. The colors aren't quite as vibrant, but they're still really cool. They're actually kind of powdery, and you know what, when you wipe the powder off, it does make them a whole lot more vibrant, which is kind of cool. And then the pattern paper add-on, I can't imagine not getting the pattern paper add-on, I have to say, because I always like having lots of papers. That with the words, and the floaties with the ducks on the back side of that, and that's called, I'm not sure what that's called. Oh, that's called Pool Party, and this one's called Flamingo. Let's Flamingo, with the flamingo floaties, and then that geometric on the back. So you can see all of the bits together there. So that is the Poolside Fancy Pants from the June 2018 collection. Then we have also from the flavor of the month, so this is the third of the 4. You are going to get, try to keep these things off to the side, your 2 pieces of cardstock, again white, and it's always nice to have those plain whites, I think. And then you have these 3 pieces from Pink Paislee of the Confetti Wishes collection. So the first piece is this tropical leaves, and on the back side of that you have that really cool ombre pink, and then you have the confetti in the colors of the collection, and these really cool giant oversized tropical leaves. And then you have, looks like birthday candles or sparklers. That's kind of cool. And then on the back side of that are all of these fun sayings, full of sunshine and happiness. It just keeps getting better and better. So glad you were born. And the selvages on these things are pretty cool too. So those are the 3 pieces that come in the flavor of the month kit. And then along with that, you are going to get a collection of embellishments. And those embellishments that you are going to get are part of the chipboard collection, and I happen to have Happy Birthday, a toucan, Let's Party, and then with that I have part of the ephemera pack, and I have a puffy sticker, Happy Birthday, flower, stamp, tropical leaf, that's really cool, confetti wishes tag, a record that says Birthday Mambo, and Oh Happy Day. So there's always a nice collection of embellishments that come with the kits. So that was what I got to go with mine. And then if you were to get the embellishment kit, you get these really cool border stickers. And if you were to get the embellishment kit, the extra papers you will get are these words, again in an ombre effect. Haha, cute. The birds are all wearing birthday hats, and the flamingo, and balloons in the garland, and then that ombre from yellow to green. Not really like that. So it could be both tropical birthday. So that is the third of the 4 flavors of the month. And the last flavor of the month is going to be Simple Stories, and that's travel notes. So this collection, you get this basil gray. I love this gray. And instead of just a selection of embellishments, you get this whole sticker sheet, which is really cool, very generous. And these are the 3 sheets that you get to go with this collection. So you're going to get these arrows on one side and all of the words in different sizes. This will be a great background, travel notes. And green, also a great background. You could probably cut out the center of that and do something. And then the other part of the travel notes, or more of the travel notes, is this travelogue. Lots of great backgrounds actually for this. And then that red. But because you have all of these, you could actually probably get 2 really cool layouts out of that. Especially if you were to get the pattern paper add-on, which would give you this stamp, these cameras, the map, I love that, see the world, and this diagonal, horizontal diagonal. And then if you had the embellishment kit, you get lots of little goodies in the embellishment kit. You know, I'm going to put these on this so that you can see them. And this is just my particular kit, don't forget, but you would get an assortment similar to this. All kinds of, this is a really generous kit with lots of fun embellishments in there that come from the ephemera pack. Wow, that's a lot. So this is you can do a ton with that. So that is the flavor of the month, June 2018. With the embellishment kit and the pattern paper add-on. Then I also get the double shot kit. And so if you just wanted a kit that was a little bit smaller, you could go with this, because this is the same thing, only you only get 2 collections. And this month we have Echo Park and BoBunny. So we'll start with BoBunny. And this is the BoBunny Early Bird Collection. This would be great for Mother's Day. All those memories that you had for Mother's Day. You get your, as always, 2 pieces of cardstock. So you can see that's kind of that ecru cream color. And then with the double shot kits, you actually always get a 3rd piece of cardstock. And that happens to be the pink that coordinates with that. And the 3 pieces of pattern paper. So we have Early Bird, and on the back side of that there's a really cool stripe. And then Early Bird Hopeful yellow with some cool circles in it, and you can see there's sort of a floral underneath there. And ooh, I like that. Triangles. And then you got these really cool circles with flowers and birds and butterflies in place of some of the circles. And that really cool rose. Ooh, what are we gonna do? That's the thing about these kits, is you always like the front and the back. And so you have to find out ways to use both sides and maximize both sides. And then the embellishments that come with this, and again, these are my particular embellishments, and I love that you never know what you're going to get, but there's always a nice wide variety. You will get a large doily, bloom, looks like a bookmark, it's kind of cool, a teapot for me, and then, wow, that's a really nice cool floral bloom where you are planted, some butterflies. So a nice, again, you can see how generous the assortment of embellishments are that go with that kit. So that is from the Double Shot Kit June, and that's Early Bird BoBunny. Set that aside. And then the last double shot, or the other double shot for June, is this kit, Echo Park. It's called Sunshine, a great one for all of the summer memories that are coming up. And this, you're also going to get 3 pieces of cardstock, 2 of the same, and those are the navy blue, and then 1 piece of white, and then your 3 pieces of pattern paper. So we have the swimsuits, the hats, all of the essential summer wear with fun summer words on the back: sprinkler, smile, together, family, friends, laughter, and sun in red. You have these really cool stripes that coordinate with a lot of things, bright primaries, but you also have these really cool 4x3 cards. Be good for if you wanted to turn this into a pocket scrapping summer. And some wagons with some blue florals on the back side. So I could see that being, even with that, a cool, wouldn't that be a great 4th of July picnic? And then you have the embellishments that come with that, and that's the full thing of the chipboard accents. Swimsuit, bicycle, summer days, sunglasses, essentials for summer survival. So those are the 4 parts of the Flavor of the Month kit, the 2 parts of the Double Shot kit for the month of June. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave them in the box below. Don't forget that this is a non-commitment subscription, so you can subscribe and, well, you could just request 1 kit and not have to get months and months worth of kits, which is awesome. And also the Flavor of the Month comes with coffee if you are so into coffee. Thanks for stopping in and joining me today. I hope you're doing well. Take care.